page. It's your girl Myeshia Shantal. If this is your first time here, hit that subscribe button below and turn on your post notifications so you'll stay up to date whenever I post. But if you're returning, you're an OG now. Welcome to the family. It's lit. You are in the club now. You good in the hood. But no, seriously, I do really appreciate all the support that I've been getting. I hit my goal for July. I'm at 1521 in followers and subscribers. Yes, 1,521. My goal was 1,500. Woo woo. And I hit it before the July was over with. So I'm very, very excited. Yes. And y'all, this is so good. It's milk Thai tea. Whew, so good. But anywho, let's just get right back on track. Make sure y'all follow me on my social media. My personal Instagram at Myeshia Shantal, my business Instagram at MS Beauty Cosmetics, and my personal Twitter at Myeshia Shantal as well. All of that will be in the description below, and the links to my business Instagram and my business website. So this video is strictly an entrepreneur video again. Yes, I know I've been posting entrepreneur videos lately, but I feel like I needed to post this video because I think it would help a lot of people who are looking to start a cosmetic business, especially one that primarily focuses on lip gloss. So if you guys do not know, I own a cosmetic business. It's MS Beauty Cosmetics. I primarily sell lip gloss, lip scrubs, wholesale, and I'm now moving into the direction of skincare as well. I only have a night serum for that one and a body butter, and also I'm adding a body scrub as well. So you guys go check that out. Go support your girl. Go buy some lip gloss, some lip scrubs, because you know winter is coming, fall is coming up. Fall before winter, and so you're gonna need something to keep, you know, those lips hydrated and moisturized. But you see this? I have, this is called 90s Baby. Well, my yeah, it's right here. I do have a lip liner on, so that's why. But look at this. Do you see that? You talking about pigmented and tinted? That's why y'all need to shop with me, and it's inexpensive, okay? But anywho, let's just jump into this video. This video, as you can tell by the title, it's how I make over 2K a month just with my cosmetic business. Yes, I said 2K a month. That's extra money. I do have a full-time job, a 9 to 5, which I work at a bank, and then I do have another part-time job, which I work at a restaurant. But yes, and this is money just not even calculated into what I'm actually bringing with my primary stream of income. And so I'm just about to give y'all some advice on how I started making a little bit over 2K a month with my cosmetic business. So number one, definitely have a business plan when you're about to start up your business. Just don't go in there blindsided. Do your research, know what you want to sell, know what type of audience you want to target, because once you know all of those points, then everything else will basically fall in line. Number two, take quality pictures. And what I mean by quality pictures, basically, you know, something that's eye-catching. A lot of people look at the way that you take your picture, or if they want to visit your website just because of how your Instagram page is. So if you can sell them just by them looking at the picture, that will be like a plus in your book. So that's number two, professional quality pictures. So number three, marketing. This is the most important part. At first, I didn't want to spend money, but you got to spend money to earn money. And so what I did was I started participating in promotions, for example, with businesses that have a large following base that already have a great foundation. You know, it'd be like $10, cash out them $10 to do a page promo, that type of stuff. And I would do that with multiple ones, and I started gaining followers from that. I started gaining sales from that. And then I was just like, okay, let me just start doing these Instagram ads and stuff, Facebook ads, to see if that generates more sales. Y'all, when I'm telling y'all, do those Instagram ads, because they generate not even twice, 10 times more sales than those. Bro, I'm tripping. They generate 10 times more sales than the ones that these people are doing. Just do an Instagram ad. Yes, it ranges from $5 to whatever. You set your budget, and I typically do mine roughly around $24-25 for 2 days. And y'all, when I'm telling you, this weekend when I did an ad for my restock, I literally made $500 in like 2 days. I have 18 orders. I got 18 orders in 2 days just because of an ad. That's the main one that you want to do, is focus on that Instagram or Facebook ads, because it shows your page to a wider audience, and meaning that you're going to get more impressions and all that type of stuff. People are going to actually see your work. So you got to invest money to make money, and I learned that. Number 4, write down what you want to accomplish every month. Like every month I set my sales goal, I set my how many followers I want to try to get, and be consistent. Like be consistent with your posting, be consistent with how you take pictures, be consistent with your captions. Everything plays a very, very important role when you're trying to generate money with a business, especially on Instagram. But I think that's the only thing I have. That's really the main points of how I generate roughly around $2K a month on just my cosmetic business. So if you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, just drop them below in the comment section, and I'll try to get back to you within 72 hours. Also, if you want to see more content like this, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. You can also DM me on my personal Instagram if you have any questions. I try to get back within 72 hours as well, or you can email me. If you DM me on my business Instagram, I am no longer responding to DMs via my business Instagram starting in August, just because it is overwhelming. But thank you guys so much for tuning into my channel. Like this video, comment below, and I will catch you guys next time. I'm out.